Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to share how to set up an automatic booking reminder SMS. The integration of automated reminder SMS functionality not only enhances operational efficiency but also ensures comprehensive communication. This feature streamlines the timely delivery of appointment reminders to all patients, eliminating the need for manual SMS transmissions. Firstly, we will demonstrate how to set up the SMS template. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the settings icon located on the navigation bar. Next, click on the Entity Settings tab and open the Workflow Events template panel. From here, click on the Choose Event Type drop-down menu and select the SMS option. Now, click on the Add Template button. The Workflow Event template screen will open. On this screen, we will be creating the SMS template to be utilized. The automatic booking reminder SMS might not work as intended unless you untick the Send Now checkbox. This will allow you to configure a custom time and date for when the SMS is scheduled to be sent. From here, continue and create your reminder SMS template. For more information on how to do this, please refer to the Workflow Event Template Send SMS User Manual, linked in this video's description. Once satisfied with the SMS template, click on the Save button. Next, click on the Diary Settings tab and select the Booking Events template setup. Please note that this feature can be set up per practitioner or per entity depending on the needs of the practice. To select the template we just created, click on the Choose drop-down menu and make your selection. We will now configure the automation of the SMS sending process. Click on the Booking Reminder SMS drop-down menu. You will be met with three options to choose from. Once per debtor and once per patient means that the SMS reminder will be sent out only once for each debtor or patient. Every booking means for each and every booking made for the debtor or patient, a reminder SMS will be sent out. The latter option is highly recommended as it saves you time and avoids repetitive error-prone work. Select the Every Booking option from the list. Click on the Schedule checkbox. You will be able to choose between configuring a highly specific date and time or opting for a more generalized time and date setting by clicking on a Change Time Layout button and setting the time up from there. Combining a scheduled time along with the Every Booking option from earlier will ensure that every patient will receive a reminder SMS prior to the booked consultation and ultimately will assist in preventing no-shows from happening. Once satisfied with the setup, click on the Save button. With the SMS reminder setup now complete, your debtors and patients will receive a reminder SMS prior to their booked consultation.